Hi all, welcome to EurekaSim Backup plugin installation and usage video. Here we have EurekaSim Backup setup.exe file. Double click on that file. Click on yes. A setup wizard will be open. Click on next. Please accept the agreement. Next. Here we have three options are there: full installation, compact installation and custom installation. You have to select full installation. Next. Install. It is installed in our system. Please open that. Here we have four options: upload, download, settings and about. Click on settings button. Here we have to give a user ID and password for EurekaSim account. Here I have given my user ID and password. And if we need to change the default upload folder, we can click on this option. And if we need to change the default download folder, we can change that from here. If we need to automatically upload the file to the EurekaSim account, we need to check this option. Firstly, I am going to upload the file manually. Please click on login button. Save the settings. Save this file. Click on upload. Click on upload file. It is uploaded. We can change the option that I have to upload the file automatically. So I am clicking on this option and save the settings. Click on upload. It is uploaded automatically. And click on download button. Here we have to select the folder that we have to download. This is a file that we recently uploaded. Click on that. Okay. Please select the folder that we have to download the file into your system. Click on OK. Click on download button. It is downloaded. If we need to open that file after download, please click on this option, open file after download, and download. It is downloaded. It is open in your system. Click on about button. If you have any doubt or if you have any queries, you can contact us directly. Click on logout button. Thank you all.